Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the groove feature in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So basically, Groove tool in a FreeCAD is a tool to revolve a sketch or profile about an axis, cutting out the material from the supports. So Groove tool is a very similar to the revolve tool in FreeCAD. The difference is that Groove tools used for to remove the material. If you see this sketch, so here B is the axis, A is the profile, and this profile A revolves with respect to this axis B, and material got removed. So let's see with an example. So here I have activated the part design workbench. Now I will create a file. I insert a body and on my origin plane. Now I will select this YZ plane and create a sketch. I will off my origin plane, and now I will create a rectangle, and let's give the dimension. Select the horizontal dimension of 300 and this vertical dimension of 80 mm, and come out of the sketch, click on isometric, and now first we will revolve it. We will select the reference, let's close it, and where is our sketch? Yes, here is our sketch. We will on our plane. Now we will select the sketch, click on the revolve tool, and from here we will select our reference. So I will revolve around this y-axis and click on OK. Now I will off my origin plane, switch to the right side view, and now here, for example, I wanted to insert a external retaining ring, also known as a circlip. So for this I will on my origin plane, and I will select this YZ plane and create a sketch, and I create a rectangle, I will switch to the wireframe, and let's give some random dimensions to it. Say horizontal 50 mm, vertical 50 mm, just approximate, and give this horizontal dimension of 50 and this vertical dimension of, let's say, 50. Now we will close our sketch, switch to the flatline views and off our origin plane, and now we will remove the material with the help of a groove tool. We will select the sketch and click on the groove. So here FreeCAD has took this Z axis, so I will select it and click on the Y axis. So you can see that a groove has been created here. Let's modify the profile of the groove. Let's say let's make it to the 30 mm, and this is a 60, and close it. So you can see that groove profile has been modified. So this is the material removal operations to remove the material with the help of a groove tool. This revolve tool and groove tools are very similar. This is the material addition process, where groove is a material removal process. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.